Inspection and maintenance. Use an Allen key to unscrew the swivel connection from the body. Remove the exhaust cover and check the exhaust filters are clean and free of debris. If they show signs of dirt, they should be replaced. They can be replaced by lifting them out of the case and inserting a new set. Remove the cap from the flow knob and remove the screw and washer. Remove the screw from the top and the screw from the exhaust case. Lift the exhaust case off the body. While pressing down firmly on the exhaust case, turn the flow valve clockwise and remove it, taking care that the small center O-rings stay in place. Lift the belt loop over the bottom case to allow it to slide down off the U-tube. Remove the U-tube from the top case. Inspect the parts and, if necessary, clean with water and mild detergent. To reassemble your C40, press the top cap firmly back onto the U-tube. Slide the U-tube section back into the bottom case and clip into place with a belt loop. Slide the exhaust case into place, ensuring the belt is threaded behind the belt loop. Insert the flow valve, ensuring the small O-rings stay in place. Turn the flow valve 180 degrees counterclockwise to lock into place. Tighten the screw. Insert and tighten the top screw. Replace the flow knob and tighten the screw. Replace the flow knob cap and replace the exhaust cover, ensuring both filters are in place. Reinsert the swivel connection by threading it into the side of the device and tightening with an Allen key.